Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, okokuqala siyabonga nje kwaba ka-SABC ngokuthi basitholele uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi akwazi ukusitshela into eqondile ngaye siyeke wonke ama-speculations ebesinawo. Lana-ke ngifisa ukuveza ukuthi uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ikusasa lakhe kwezepolitiki limi kanjani. Ngabe useseyilunga le-EFF kuzokwenzakalani? Angeke sibuyele emuva ngoba sizwile sonke siyazi sonke ukuthi waphoqwa ukuthi aresign ku-EFF futhi uchazile ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuze angabi yimember ye-Third National People's Assembly ekhona ngoDisemba. Lapha bezindaba babuza kakhulu ngayo ukuthi uphi kodwa bathola impendulo ethi impendulo nje ayivela ku-CIC yathi angisiubaba kaNdlozi mfoneleni nini. Ngakho-ke ngifuna kodwa ukukhava isigaba lesokuthi ikusasa lakhe kwezepolitiki limi kanjani ngoba ilokho engicabanga kubalekile. Sonke siyazi ukuthi uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi uphumela obala wasichazela ukuthi ku-EFF uphume kanjani. Kodwa-ke nanesizathu esenza ukuthi bamtreat indlela atrithwe ngayo sibekile yena. Kodwa manje ngifisa ukukhava indaba yekusasa lakhe. Ngiyacela usubscribe, ulike ivideo, ushare ushiye ukubona kwakho comment section. Ngiyacela futhi uma sixoxa la asingathukani, asixoxe nje kahle ngokuhloniphana. Kuvumelekile ukuthi imibono yethu iphambane. Lokho akusho ukuthi kunenkinga kithi, isho ukuthi nje imibono yethu ayiphambani. Asizame nje ukubonisana ngale kwama-emotion ukuze sizofunda from each other, sizokwazi ukufunda omunye komunye. Sikwazi nje ukuthi ulalela umuntu umuzi ukuthi ukubeka kwakhe kuthini, mhlambe makuphikisana nokwakho noma nje kuxoxwa. Ayikho into emnandi njenge-engagement la ukuthi makuxoxwa khona umbono wakho noma uhlukile komunye kodwa ubeke na uhlangothi lakho ukuze ubone ukuthi mhlambe mina ngigejela noma yena lo muntu ugejela. Kuyenzeka ke ukuthi umuntu umbone ukuthi ugejile kodwa phela mthathe kahle, umcorrecte kahle. Uma siba nezingxoxo ezinjalo sizokhula ngolwazi ngoba into ebalekile ukukhula ngolwazi bese siwathanda ke amaqembu nama-leaders wethu kodwa fanele sikhule ngolwazi. Okokuqala nje ngifisa ukukuphendula enkulumeni abenayo uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ukuvezile ukuthi mabembuza ukuthi ngabe useseyilunga le-EFF na wayeseyakuveza ukuthi cha uyihande over i-resignation yakhe wathi uyaphuma akasesiyimember ye-EFF. Ngabe lokho kusho ukuthi uya ku-ANC na ngoba ushilo wathi yena ngeke ujoin umkhonto wesizwe party. Ngabe lokho uya ku-ANC na? Siyakhumbula ukuthi uColin Malachi wathi umfonela uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi waphinda futhi noFikile Mbalula Secretary General we-ANC wakufakaza ukuthi cha bakhulumile naye ngoba umuntu ngempela onolwazi kwezepolitiki. Ukulahlekelwa umuntu onjengoMbuyiseni Ndlozi usukulahlekelwa kakhulu ngokwezepolitiki kanti ukuzuza umuntu onjengoMbuyiseni Ndlozi usukuzuze likhulu. Asike siza ukuthi utheni yena mangabe ebuza ukuthi ngabe useyilunga le-EFF na nanokuthi useyaphike ukusuka la uphendule kanjena ke yena.
Okay, let's get this one very right. Do you still remain the member of the EFF?
I have taken a decision to step away completely from party politics. I'm leaving party politics. I think I've made my contribution in that space. We don't live in a one-party state. We're not in the camps. We're not banned. Politics are a free activity in South Africa. And party politics are not the monopoly of making social contribution. I think after this episode, I've taken a decision to leave all of party politics.
I just want to get you right. I don't want to second guess you. Mm-hmm. You're saying you're leaving party politics.
I'm leaving party politics.
And my question is very direct. Mm-hmm. Are you still a member of the EFF?
I have left the EFF. I have left party politics. EFF is a political party. I have handed over my resignation as a member. And it is because where I want to go and contribute, I can't hold a single party membership. But overall, I think that I've made my contribution. And I think that there are brilliant young men and women, old men and women as well, in the space that will continue in that category, as it were, of party politics.
Uyamuzwa kuDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi la uyachaza ukuthi akaselona ilunga le-EFF uhande over i-resignation yakhe okusho ukuthi uphumile uresignile ku-EFF. Wayesekubeka kucaca ukuthi uphumile kuma-party politics ukubeka ngokusobala ukuthi akayi ku-ANC. Njengoba eshiye ku-EFF ushiya yonke into ekuthiwa yi-political party. Yingakho ethi uyeka yonke into ekuthiwa yi-party politics ngoba akafuni ukuba ingxenye yento ekuthiwa yi-political party. Sizongena esigabeni sokuthi yini afuna ukuyenza manje ngoba noma ezoba khona kulomkhakha wezepolitiki kodwa kwenye indawo uzosichazela yena ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza kuphi manje, yini aseyihlelile ngempilo yakhe kusuka la phambili, kodwa akushilo ukuthi yena esigabeni nasethubeni anikwe lona lokuthi aseve abantu basemphakathi wase-South Africa. Ucanga ukuthi usevile eminyakeni abevotelwe eyimember yeparlament, i-EFF isungulwa kuze kube manje eyimember yeparlament. Ucanga ukuthi umsebenzi ucontributile lapho, kodwa nje into afisa isinqoma safike kuso manje ukuthi uyaphuma kwinto ekuthiwa ama-party politics. Hayi-ke yaluza kanjalo-ke i-ANC ngoba bese sicabanga ukuthi phela uyakhona. Maningi-ke nama-speculations abethi vele uya ku-ANC emveni kokuba futhi encome uRamaphosa. Ngathi ngingenza ivideo eceleni, no ngizokwenza ivideo eceleni la azochaza khona ukuthi yini le ayeyibona kuRamaphosa, futhi kunenkulumo yakhe lapha athi uRamaphosa akayena lo muntu esasitshela ukuthi unguye. So kunempendulo azosipha yona, kodwa kwenye video angeke ngikwazi ukwenza le ngoba lena ngifisa nje ikhulume ngekusasa lakhe ukuthi kusuka manje njengoba eseyekile i-party politics useyapi. Ngifisa manje angifuni ke singene kuleyo ngoba izosuke bese ixuba izinto zibaningi, kodwa ke kule ngizoyifaka ngifisa ukuthi ayiveze le party le ngoba mawukhumbula le Twitter ayibhalile uthi uRamaphosa akayena lo muntu esasitshelwe ukuthi unguye. Kanti uFloyd uma ngabe eshiya yena ku-EFF uthi we were misled. So umbuzo ukuthi I wonder ubani lo misleadayo. So ngifisa kodwa singene kuleyo kwivideo eseceleni ngoba le izoba ivideo yakhe. Okwamanje nje bengisafuna sikhave le part yokuqala ukuthi uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi akasesiya imember ye-EFF oresignile futhi akayi ukuyojoin i-ANC. Alikho iqembu lezepolitiki azolijoyina ngoba uyaphuma kwinto ekuthiwa i-party politics. Into esizoyikhava manje ukuthi njengoba ephuma ku-party politics useyaphike sezoba yini ke umsebenzi wakhe la azowenza. Ilokho engifuna sikukhave manje, simcaphune lapho asichaze lapho bese siyayivala ivideo. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho ukuthi wena uzwa kanjani njengoba kukhulunywa zonke lezi zinto. Mhlambe nawe ubona njengabo ba nami nganele ngabona leya tweet ngayitshela ngempela uya ku-ANC. Ngokwakho ukubona wena ububone njengami ubona ukuthi ku-ANC noma ubuvele ungayitshela ukuthi ngeke aye ku-ANC, ngeke abuyele emuva ku-ANC. Ngoba mina ngize ngathi sengathi angashanga emfiphindi wavela ujoin MK party, kodwa ke ukubekwe kacaca ukuthi cha yena ngeke. Uphendule kanjena ke mabe mbuza ukuthi uyapi ngempilo yakhe manje.
And contribute in the first instance to the academy. In the second instance, I'm very, very passionate about the upliftment of levels of discourse in the country. But most importantly, I think the terrain of struggle that has been neglected over the years is the civil society space. That civil society space, I'm interested in it because it is where you are able to cultivate and agitate the notions of freedom, where liberation is about the people. The people liberate themselves. And community development, research, advocacy. You know, it's time somebody did for the people of this country what AfroForum is doing for the Afrikaners. I think that is the civil society space that one is is having a conversation and thinking about. I'm saying that party politics don't monopolize the contribution to social change. And I have taken a decision to step out. I think I'll contribute elsewhere in the remaining decades of my life.
Uyamuzwa ke uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlovu uyachazela ukuthi usezocontributor elsewhere manje. Kodwa ke uthi uzoinvesta kakhulu kwi-academy. Kodwa ufuna ukusebenza in the civil society emphakathini. Ufuna iplan yakho ukwenza into ecishe ifane neAfriforum. Uthi ufuna ethinga nje ngokucabanga kwami ngoba akayichazi kahle lento yakhe. Kodwa ufuna ukwakha inhlangano ezomela abantu abamnyama njengeAfriforum njengoba imele amabhunu. iAfriforum siyazi ukuthi inhlangano lapha amabhunu contributor khona njalo ngenyanga bese imele ukuthi izikole zamabhunu azihambe ngendlela bona abafuna ngayo, imigwaqo yabo la abahlala khona ayibe ngendlela abafuna ngayo. Uma kungenzeka uphazamisane nebhunu kaba bakuthathe bakusenkantolo bamele amalungelo abantu amabhunu. Ufuna ukwenza into enjalo uthi sekufika isikhathi sokuthi kube khona umuntu ozokwenza exactly into eyenziwa iAfriforum kodwa ayenzela abantu abamnyama ngoba iAfriforum isuke ibheke for interest yamabhunu. Manje la usethi no uzocontribute ngoba lena ayifaki iparty kodwa ithinta wonke umuntu ophilayo ngoba iparty politics igcina ikwenza uhlale kwiparty yakho kodwa le ikwenza ukuthi ucontribute to society at large. So uyayibona ukuthi izodinga imkhakha eminingi ingakho ethi funeka kubuye futhi neacademy ngoba izodinga imfundo idingeni ukuze makuthiwa ingane zabantu kukhulunywa udaba lama university kukhuluma abantu abaziyo ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani ngama university. Uma kukhulunywa ngamalungelo funa kuvela abantu abawaziyo umthetho. Yilonto le athi usefuna ucontribute kuyo ke uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlovu. Lokho engitheke angikushare ngekusasa lakho ukuthi kusuka manje usehlele ini ngoba sesikutholile ukuthi akaseyona imember yeEFF. No mina ngiyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho, ngiyabonga kuwe subscribeile, ngiyakubona njalo nongaka subscribe. Ngiyakubona nje uyakuziba lokho subscribe please. Ngicela ulike ivideo ushare ngizwe umbono wakho uthi uthini. Nokuphawula kwakho nje ngingakujabulela ukuza ukuthi wena kuthini ukuphawula kwakho njengoba uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlovu sesitshelile iplan yakhe kusuka manje. Uthi nje eminyakeni ezayo ubala ama decade udecade 10 years. So ubale eminyakeni ezayo ofuna ukuyispenda lapho. So ufuna ukukhanda iorganization or movement kodwa ezobe ingesile iqembu lepolitiki kodwa ezobe ibheke iinterest yabantu abamnyama njengoba mawusuka ubuka iAfriforum ukuthi iAfriforum iwenzelana amabhunu. iAfriforum izikole zamabhunu zinemfundo eright ngenxa yayo. Izikole zamabhunu ngisho indawo abahlala kuzo ziright ngenxa yeAfriforum. Ngisho imigwaqo abaphila khona bayakwazi bona ukuthi bacontribute bazilungisela amaphotholo ngoba kwesinye isikhathi lonto iyasiza ngoba usho ukuthi umphakathi uzobe uactive ngoba into ayichazile uthe abantu bayaziliberate bona. Uthe people liberate themselves. Usho ukuthi ukuba active kwabantu kwenza ukuthi isizwe sibe right ngoba uma kungaba active abazali manje izingane zabazobe benzela izingane zabo ukuthi zibe sesimene esi right esingcono kunabo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.